Hi guys, Nick Miller, Dave Mark Supply Company. Today we have for you, we're right in time. It's January the 17th. We have a Kubota BX2750B. It's a 50-inch front mount snowblower for one of your BX series tractors. This is on a BX2370. It's going to fit your 50, 60, 70, 80 series tractors. The only thing you have to do is buy an update kit up here for the couplers on the 80 series tractors. This snowblower is in good shape, does have the skid shoes, does have the hydraulic rotation package. We're going to sell this complete blower, hydraulic rotation, fast hitch, bearing kit that goes from the fast hitch, drive shaft up to your mid PTO. So it is going to be complete. Auger is in very good shape. The tractor has, how many hours, Braden? 320? It's like 320 hours on this tractor. Blower was sold new with it. Got a couple little marks right here. Blower housing has typical stone chips, but the fan's all in good shape that way. It's not a brand new blower. Cutting edge is good, but it has been used. Typical over here, there was some scratches on it. A couple little bruise marks on the blower housing. But there again, it is a used snow blower. Good luck finding a new one right now. You can hardly get them. We're going to go ahead and work it for you so you can see that it works. Why we took the time to shoot these videos, see how stuff works. Rotation of the chute work. Oh, that's a good job, Brady. You got me. You can see that thing works. Guys, you got any questions on this blower? If you want to come see it yourself in person, have nothing to hide. That's why we took the time here. We hooked to this tractor so you can see everything works the way it's supposed to. Any questions, 814-658-3866. Thanks for the Network Supply Company as always. Have a great day.